Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing gear. Make sure your Barracuda X has a charge and is powered off before pairing. Once done, take the 2.4 GHz USB-C dongle and plug it into the Xbox controller's USB-C port on top. This is faster and keeps latency low. If you prefer the console USB, use a USB-C to USB adapter and plug the dongle into the Xbox front USB. Doing this now puts the wireless link where the headset expects to find it. You now pair the headset. Power the Barracuda X on and hold the pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. The dongle and headset will automatically handshake. Once paired, make sure the Xbox routes audio to the headset by opening audio settings and selecting controller/headset output. Adjust headset volume and mic side tone so you hear yourself and teammates clearly. Finally, join a party or launch a game and confirm both game audio. Finish by tidying settings. Lock headset on your head and fine-tune volume, then test chat balance in a quick match. If you lose audio, reboot the headset and unplug, then replug the dongle into the controller or console. This clears most 2.4 GHz handshake issues. If problems persist, toggle audio format or chat mixer in Xbox settings and update controller or headset firmware when possible. These updates fix compatibility bugs. One key tip: interference often causes dropouts, so move other wireless transmitters away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.